Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This recipe is spring onion pimento cheese grits. And I like cheese on grits. I like grits. I don't know why I don't cook them more. And we're just going to cook these grits by the recipe that's on the box. It has 8 cups of water. We're going to bring that to a boil. And we're going to put a little bit of salt. Probably about a half a teaspoon. And then we're going to put 2 cups of grits. Now these are those quick cooking grits. You could use any kind you wanted to, I think. You just cook them like the instructions on the box. So now we're going to turn it down a little bit and bring it back to a boil and cook it for 5 minutes. If I ever get it stirred up. Still got lumps in it. Now our grits have been cooking 5 minutes and they're done. So we're going to leave them take them off of the burner and leave them right here for a few minutes till we get the other mixture finished. We're going to have to go over to the mixer to do that. Now the next thing we're going to do 8 ounces of cream cheese and a half a cup of mayonnaise. And we're going to mix that till it's creamy. Then we'll take it over to the other table and mix the other things that we don't need to use the mixer for. 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. And this is a half a cup of mayonnaise. And I guess y'all know by now that I use Duke mayonnaise. I think it's the best mayonnaise you can buy. We're just going to mix this up till it's creamy. Okay, we're fixing to add 3 cups of cheese. And I guess you can use any kind of cheese you want to. We're going to add 4-ounce jar of pimientos. I did drain these too. And we're going to add 3 fresh onions diced. Let me get this mixed up real good. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of sugar. 1/4 cup of melted butter. Now that's everything we put in here except if you want a little cayenne pepper or some kind of hot sauce. That would be up to you, and a little salt and pepper. So I'm going to add a little of that, all of that to mine. I'm just guessing at this. I'll add a little salt. I'm going to add a little black pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper, and this is where you better be careful. You can add too much of this right quick. Now, that's all we have to mix together. We're going to mix our grits for this now. Now, we have this mixed up. We're going to pour this over in the grits and mix it all together. You can tell by the ingredients in this it's going to be good. You know, if you cook very much, you can look at a recipe with the ingredients and tell if you're going to like it most of the time. Well, of course, if it doesn't make any difference if you like it, somebody else might not like it. If you don't cook this, it's finished when you get it mixed up. See, we just about got it. This recipe is a real good recipe. I'll put some in this little bowl. After the camera's off, I'll eat this whole bowl. Okay. That is really good. You know, I love cheese grits. I hope you try this, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. And I thank you for watching.